Understanding blurt out. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, blurt out. Have you ever said something suddenly without thinking? Well, there's a phrase for that. Let's explore it. Blurt out is a phrasal verb. To blurt out means to say something suddenly and without thinking, especially because you are excited, nervous, or surprised. It's when words just seem to jump out of your mouth. Example, she blurted out the secret without meaning to. The phrase is made up of two parts. 1. Blurt, a verb meaning to utter abruptly and impulsively. 2. Out. Here, out is used to emphasize the suddenness or unexpectedness of the action. Combined, they convey the action of suddenly and unintentionally saying something. Let's see how blurt out can be used in various sentences. 1. I didn't mean to blurt out the news. It just slipped. 2. During the interview, he blurted out his previous salary, making the situation a bit awkward. 3. Sarah blurted out the answer during class, surprising everyone. It's also good to know some synonyms of blurt out. Spill, e.g., she spilled the beans about the surprise party. Let slip, e.g., he let slip some confidential information. Knowing synonyms can help you understand the concept better and also enrich your vocabulary. So, the next time someone says something suddenly, you'll know they've blurted it out. Understanding phrases like these can make English even more fun and relatable. We hope this explanation helps you in your language learning journey. Happy learning!